Math 5500. In our session yesterday, I mentioned there's an easier way to bring a data set, a .csv, into R. I think it's been frustrating for a few of you, and I can't believe I haven't shared this previously. But anyway, let me just illustrate it. Instead of setting a working directory and blah, 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 all we have to do is just read. Well, let's save it as something. So read.csv and then put the quotations and then the data set on our desktop, just drag it and it has to go in the middle of the quotations. And then let's just attach it if we would need to. I always like to look at the first 6 entries, so I do head data. And you can see there it is. So no worrying about setting your working directory, which sometimes could be pretty frustrating with some different computers operating systems. A lot of you say you're using RStudio. I highly recommend RStudio. That's what I use. I teach with R. Uh, I think I'm just too damn old to change, and maybe it's not it has nothing to do with my age. Maybe it's just me being stubborn. But RStudio is something you may consider. So once we get here, man, it's cool stuff, right? Let's just run a model. Let's say we want to predict maybe anxiety. Uh, well, let's say we want to predict the exam score from anxiety. Uh, okay, there we go. And remember, the format of this is LMY predicted from X. And again, in R, if I put a hashtag, that means I'm communicating to you, so R is not looking to execute a command. So, I run this and I look at my model and I get the coefficient estimates for the intercept and the slope. Or I can also run summary model and take a look at if the predictor is statistically significant, I get the residual standard error, the estimate of the variance if I square that, and I get my model diagnostic, which will become much more important or much more interesting once we get into multiple regression. I can run confidence interval of my model and get the CIs for the slope and the intercept. I can also, run a core test if I just wanted to look at the relationship between um, anxiety and exam. And of course, this, gives me the confidence interval for R, well, rho, and it gives me my sample estimate. So uh, all you got to do. Uh, Dang, everything else is covered uh, in the video. So I'm going to keep this one brief. I hope this helps. Take care.